Alright, so let's take the front seats off. Okay, let's take the seat apart because I actually need the seat rails to go on the other seats because they didn't come with rails. So let's take it apart. Alright, let me go get the other seat. I'll be right back. Alright, I got the other seat here. So let's go ahead and put this back together. That was smart. Why would someone do this? Like I said, I do have another passenger seat that has the same design. Yes, SI seat, and this is good on it. So I'm gonna, one of these days, I'm gonna switch the seat cover because it has a passenger side. But other than that, everything looks good. I do have to change the back seat still, but let me go clean this up. Okay, got the back seats out. Maybe I should vacuum it real quick, or I'll probably have my son vacuum it. We do have this piece, the quarter piece, because I remembered, you know, made a video of me removing it, but it was broken right here and right here, and we're probably gonna have to take this off again because we're soon we're gonna put a roll cage on this. So what I might do is I'll probably just, for now, just put the back seat on. Okay, got the back seat on. It's got a couple spots right there, I think, when the seat was down. Other than that, I think it's fairly clean, other than dog hairs or cat hair, whatever that is. We gotta vacuum it. So there's the passenger seat. This is the driver's seat. Like I said, we do have another to fix this. Probably wait till we take it back off to put the cage in, then we'll go ahead and replace this. So yeah, there you go. Sorry, video's kind of all over the place, but we're just trying to do this whenever I can find the time. Good news is the kids are about to go on summer break, so I think we should be doing more things again. So alright, till next time.